Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. You know, in the workplace, insults are like free coffee, sometimes bitter, sometimes unnecessary, and occasionally thrown without thinking. But here is the thing, not every comment deserves a reaction. Some deserve maturity. When someone throws an insult at you, you actually have three choices: react emotionally, escalate dramatically, or respond professionally. I prefer option number three, mainly because HR exists. Responding with professionalism doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're in control. It means you understand that composure is power. While others are raising their voices, you are raising the standard. Sometimes the best comeback is clarity. Sometimes it's silence. And sometimes it's calm. Thank you for your feedback. Remember, when you respond maturely, you don't just protect your reputation, you upgrade it. Because at the end of the day, professionalism is the ultimate mic drop. Thank you for listening.